Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well guys, I'm doing a different project this week. I wanted to do the carpet, but it rained in Vegas this week. So I am doing this kitchen cart. This is Ikea cart, so I'm going to do an Ikea hack. So my client's son, my son wanted to do a kitchen cart for his girlfriend. So her theme was rose gold and black, and she wanted it updated because she's changing her kitchen colors. She's changing her kitchen colors to black and white. So she said, be creative. She wanted something kind of stylish and glam. So I came up with this really gorgeous idea how to change this rose gold and black kitchen cart to a gorgeous glam bar cart. All right, guys, let's get started. The first thing I did was I went to Home Depot to check out some tiles. I figured something that I don't have to cut. So I looked at everything that was square and rectangular. So as I picked my tiles, I selected these two, one glass, one black and white with different designs in it. So the look I'm going for is minimalistic with a negative space with white with black slits of glass tile. So guys, I decided to go with the tile here that's black, but I'm not going to be using the silver or the glass here. I'm going to use the glass from over here. So if you're not quite sure how to design it, and of course everyone is different. So the easiest thing, like for me, I'm used to doing sort of designs freehand, but if you just feel as though you're not quite sure where to place your black pieces or any other pieces you may need, as you can see here, they come in sheets like this. All right, just turn them over, and they are glass. Is that pretty? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm not going to open this one because I think that's a little extra. So, and the black ones again are like this, very shiny, very, very pretty when you do it black pieces. So if you just want to do it like me and have negative space and you don't want all white, all you do is have to like pop one of these out here, okay, and replace it with one of these just to get an idea which way you want to go with this. And I want another one to go here, so I'll pull out this one here and replace it with this here. You see, now these are different tiles. This is a little higher than this one, but this is how you could start designing it. And if you feel as though you want another one here, you know, or at this edge here, again, pull this out. And this is just how you kind of design it, and you want to eventually pull them off of this, okay? And then you can just add one here and another piece here. All right, so then you'll have your design this way if this is easier for you. Okay, so I'm going to finish up the last shelf of this and glue it on. And basically, all you think I do is put the glue on top, put it on the cart. I showed you earlier how to do this, and basically, guys, that's it. And that's how you do this. And again, this is like a gorgeous, gorgeous towel. And okay, you can see how it's reflective as glass. It's absolutely stunning. Okay, and then you can always grout, because glass is not quite even like ceramic, so you can always use a grout in between here, white, black, whatever you want to use, and just to fill in the parts, because you're going to have, sometimes you might have a little bit of gaps like this. All right guys, that's it. Okay, when I prep it, I prefer to just cut this out, because sometimes this tube here, it gets clogged, so it's easy for me to cut a piece out. Use a little bit here, wipe it down. This to me was so much easier to apply it. Each one, this is a tedious project, but you know, again, I want to design it without having to have it on a sheet. So I'll start my first one here, and you see if you get messy here, keep a soapy rag here. This is washable, and you could just wipe it right off. Okay. There you go. So that starts that one, and then you got small, big, and this is how I'm going to go all the way down the row, and then I'm going to add, of course, my black pieces in. Okay guys, I fast forwarded, so I am now done. I think it came out pretty cool. Different project, you know, doing a bar card. I just told the only thing I have to do here is a grout, you know, when you have your little spaces here. So you don't want spills to go in between these. So just grab it with white, polish it up with glass cleaner when it's done. And I think they will enjoy their bar card. Now the grout I'll be using is by this Poly Blend. This thing only costs about $6.99 and it comes in a powder form. All you do is read the instructions carefully and you just add some water to this. Again, the consistency should be thick, a little thinner than this. I'm going to add a little bit of water, a little thinner than that, but it is easy breezy to put on. Normally they have like this trowel they use. I didn't have that. I was not going to go to the store, so I used what I had, which is just like, you know, something for like a spatula. And it went on just as perfectly fine. Also, when I clean and wipe this up, I just use a nice cloth to it. If you don't have a sponge, don't worry about it. It works just as fine. Let me know what you think about this project. This is something that's really different. It was easy, fun, a little tedious, but it was a fun project. All right, guys, let me know. It's your Mooregirl, and I will see you at the next video.